Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the world of tablets to explore the Honor Pad 9, a device that seems to tick all the right boxes for tech enthusiasts and daily users alike. With its robust features and an attractive price point, this tablet is causing quite a stir in the market. So let's break it down and see what makes it stand out. First off, the unboxing experience is straightforward yet satisfying. Inside, you'll find the tablet itself, along with a USB to USB-C cable. No frills, just what you need to get started. The Honor Pad 9 boasts an integrated full-metal body design, measuring at 278.271 T 0.116.9 mm and weighing just 555 kg. It's sleek, sturdy, and feels premium in your hands. But what truly sets this tablet apart is its display. We're looking at a 12.1 TFT screen with a 120 Hz refresh rate and a 2.5K resolution. It's not just any display. It's an eye protection display certified by TÜV Rheinland for being flicker-free and low in blue light. Whether you're attending an online conference or binge-watching your favorite series, this tablet has multiple eye protection technologies, including dynamic dimming, to ensure your eyes are cared for. Camera-wise, the Honor Pad 9 doesn't disappoint either. An 8MP front camera for your video calls and selfies, and a 13MP rear camera for capturing those important moments. Both cameras come with an autofocus feature, ensuring your images are sharp and clear. Audio is another area where this tablet shines. With a total of 8 speakers surrounding the device, 2 on each side, you're guaranteed an immersive acoustic experience. Honor's voice enhancement technology, combined with noise reduction, makes it feel like you're right there in the room during online meetings. Under the hood, the Honor Pad 9 is powered by the 4nm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset, ensuring smooth performance for everyday tasks, gaming and video playback. With a storage capacity of 256 GB and 8 GB of RAM, boosted by a virtual memory expansion, you won't have to worry about running out of space or lagging while switching between apps. The tablet runs on macOS 7.2 based on Android 13, offering a seamless and user-friendly experience. It supports Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.1, but it's worth noting that it lacks NFC, GPS, and doesn't come with a charger in the box. Battery life is impressive with an 83 mAh battery, supporting 35W fast charging. You'll have enough juice to get through your day without constantly reaching for the charger. Other noteworthy features include multi-window for multitasking, a stunning screen, and a high-quality audio system. The absence of a built-in GPS and charger might be a downside for some, but considering its price point, the Honor Pad 9 offers remarkable value. Speaking of price, it's set at $349.90, but with various discounts and codes, you can snag it for as low as $290. Details and links are in the video description. In conclusion, the Honor Pad 9 is a solid choice for anyone looking for a high-performing tablet without breaking the bank. Its impressive display, audio capabilities, and robust performance make it a contender worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to leave a like and a comment below. Your support helps us bring more content like this your way. See you in the next one.